Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be exploring Huntington, Long Island, New York, United States. So I'm going to be exploring a town in Long Island called Huntington, and today I'm going to be exploring it. So Huntington is a town in Long Island, New York, in Nassau County. It has many restaurants and shops, and people go there to visit. So today I'm going to be visiting Huntington, Long Island, New York, in Nassau County. So here you can see there's many shops and restaurants. So here you can see there's many kinds of shops and restaurants. So right now we're crossing the road. So there's so many shops and there's so many cars. There's lots of adventure here. Here we have a clothing store. You see a clothing store. And here we have a toy store. A toy store. Here's all kinds of toys. And here we have another clothing store. And here we have a restaurant. You see there's a restaurant. And here we have a furniture store for mattresses. Here we have a shoe store. And you can see all these different kinds of shops in this town. Huntington is the name of the town. Here we have another clothing store, and here we have a restaurant and the ice cream shop. You can see there's lots of stores. So here so I love to explore new places. So here we see all the cars and the stores. There's lots of livelihood in this town. And here we're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna go eat pizza. So here we have a pizza shop called Rosa's Pizza. We're gonna get some pizza in the pizza shop. So we're gonna cross the road and go get some pizza. And here we go, we're going inside the pizza shop, Rosa's Pizza. And we're going in. So it's very busy. There's lots of people eating pizzas. So it's a very busy restaurant. Here we have all kinds of pizzas and breads. So here we have cheese pizza and extra pizza and pepperoni pizza. So we're gonna get a plain cheese pizza. So now we're gonna order a plain cheese pizza. Here we got the pizza. Here's the pizza. So now we're going to eat the pizza. And I'm drinking some soda. So here's our pizza. So here I'm about to eat my pizza. And now we ate the pizza, and now we're going to go again to hear some motorcycles. Here's some motorcycles in the street. Some motorcycles. Some motorcycle people. Yeah. series of motorcycles and following